Alright, so we're at the GC Thermo Trace 1300, and this is some GCMS data from a long time ago. So I'm looking for a flower that has a single smell. So I was thinking about this like red versus yellow rose to start, you know? So the red yellow rose is, so we open these guys up. There we go. So it should open them up. So pretty solid data. There are small other peaks there, but I figure you just like label the main peak. And so the first one would be red rose. And then here's the data, and then you go to the library search, and it pops it up. And so it's phenylacetic acid here. And then we can like copy that, so it'd be like the first smell is PAA or PEA. So that would be, so it'd go, one is red rose, and it's going to be PEA. Alright. So then two, you would do like, it would be like, has the same thing, and then it has this new thing, right? And that one, so the yellow rose has, oh, but it missed this time. Right, so instead of just, it's got the ester. Instead of just this, right, the alcohol. It now has both the alcohol and the acetic acid ester. And it makes it smell different. Like one taste it smells like, and then you can like look up the smells of them. So I was thinking like, I don't know, I put like descriptive words. This would be yellow rose. You like look up the descriptors and stuff, and like, you know, use like floral descriptors, like one has like a fruitier smell, the other one has like a more of a flowery sweet smell, or just sweet fruity or something like that. Alright, so that's two. So now we need something with like three things in it. Like if you go back to the main window, you can kind of see how many peaks there are in each one. So then maybe we'll go to like a lemon flower. Let's see how complicated that is. So then we go into lemon flower. You know the crazy thing about the lemon flower is it has like loads of caffeine in it. Isn't that weird? So like, maybe I just won't include that part of the chromatogram. Yeah. Everybody's here. All the smells are going to be coming out early anyways, so I could just like zoom in on the front part of the chromatogram when I'm doing this, and then I could just highlight one peak even though there's more than one peak. But so now this guy has, instead of phenylacetic alcohol, it's got linalool, right? So linalool is like lemony smelling kind of, and then it's got this guy, which is indole. Indole is kind of stinky. Like indole at high concentrations is super stinky, but in like you'll find it in tons of flowers at incredibly low concentration, which makes all those like really interesting smells. And then this one, what this is, methyl anthrolate. I think that's a fruity smell. I think it smells like kind of like grapes. Because I found that once, I think in a like a grape gum. We can go look. I think I have the grape gum data here too. Yeah. Okay, so maybe we'll go. Number 3 is going to be lemon flower. And indole. Let's go back. So now we have something with like 4. So what about orange flower? Yeah, so we can do like lemon flower, then orange flower.
Red rose, yellow rose.
Yeah, red rose, yellow rose, lemon flower, orange flower. We're already number 4. We're gonna be doing pretty good. Then we can go into like things that are more complicated, like rosemary, like jasmine. We can start going into really complicated things, maybe. Maybe it's too complicated for a children's book. Okay, so where we going here? We're going to this one. Now, if we did orange flower. Okay, so orange flower. The cool thing is it has like the same first molecule again, right? So it's got like linalool. We go to orange flower. It's probably linalool again, same thing. And then we have probably this methylanthrolate again, right? So it's the same. That's the good thing about GC data is it's like got really, really sharp chromatography. Like the retention time, if you run the same method, the same sample prep, it really gives you like super reproducible data. So again, you can see like it's slightly off in time there, so they're not even grouping them together. But yeah, it is. So that's the same thing again. Indol, right? So then we have some new things. Okay, so the new things. Try to pick the one that makes it smell the most like an orange. So whatever the heck that is. And so whatever these weird isocyanates are. Very interesting. I'll open it and miss sometimes if it's like a weird hit like that. Let's see if it's actually like the top hit. Yes. It is. Kind of looks like it is. You can kind of look at the actual matches. Like my raw data actually goes out to almost 150, so it's not exactly right. So there's something else going on there. It's kind of missing a peak. I don't know exactly what I'll have to try to figure out what those are. Otherwise, orange flower's not going to be as cool. Let's see what other ones we got. Maybe orange flower. Alright, so other things that I've run. So I really tracked down, like this is kind of cool. So we were like, I didn't really expect there to be caffeine in the lemon flower. So like we ran like the petal versus the stamen versus the pistil to figure out like where it was. And it seems like it's like the pistil. So it's like getting the flowers all fired up. Wisteria. See, look, I ran Glade. You do like Glade, like house sprays, all these like synthetic smells. Maybe I don't have like 10 legitimate